when you walk up to it and these two hatches open up, and it almost sounds like a sci-fi movie where you get that I'm expecting kind of see steam come out of the hatches. You really feel like the future is now.
To see it actually on the streets, pausing at a stop sign, it was really an incredible experience. It was something that it made you feel really proud that Kroger is being so bold and going down a path that's so innovative with such a great partner.
We work on a ton of stuff in digital. Our roadmap is miles long. Here I come along meeting with these teams saying, hey, autonomous grocery delivery, despite how busy everybody else was, like their ears perked up and were like, yeah, like I want to be a part of this. Like this is really exciting. We're really leading in a new way. And when we find a partner like Nuro that has a vision that's really aligned with what ours is, it makes it really easy to want to work together and really work on cool things.
It's an amazing juxtaposition of both the robotics, autonomy, and digital expertise that Nuro has with the amazing retail and customer relationship that Kroger has. That's one of the reasons we're so excited to work with Kroger. We want to really bring this service to everyone across the entire country.
Starting with the company at 15 years old as a bagger, never in my wildest dreams, 19 years later, did I ever think I'd be in a role where I'm interacting with a self-driving robot.
Kroger has an amazing brand, and Kroger has a very strong commitment to quality and convenience. Also, Kroger is extremely innovative when it comes to not just retail, but also technology. If we can combine the technology and very deep retail expertise, we can together build an amazing customer experience.
This is such an interesting time at Kroger, whether it's what we're doing with Ocado, Nuro, Walgreens. It really is about bringing lots of great companies together to deliver the best customer experience.